Hey, they say you never know about tomorrow. It sounds like an old scary tale, the kind our parents used to whisper by the fireside to remind us that, life can change in a blink. But the truth is, it's not just a tale, it is a reality. Tomorrow is the most unpredictable guest in our lives. It never sends a notice, never knocks, never waits for us to be ready. One day, you're standing tall and confident, and then next, you're reminded how fragile your plans really are. That's why, wisdom isn't in knowing tomorrow. It is in living today with purpose, humility, and peace. So you never know about tomorrow. But you know about it now. Now is your chance to forgive someone. Now is your chance to start that project. It is your chance now to pray, to call home, to say I love you, to make peace with someone, with yourself. Because tomorrow does it belong to the anxious? No, it belongs to the prepared. So life isn't a rehearsal, it's a one-time show. So don't waste it in fear of what will happen tomorrow. Invest in faith that whatever happens, you will be ready. Whatever happens will happen. So that all the tale of tomorrow is only scary when you live without purpose. But when you live aligned with God's will, tomorrow becomes just another chapter in your victory life. So live today intentionally because you never know about tomorrow. Yes, this is what would Orina say, as you show your daily wisdom, the real truth, and the reminder that every moment counts. I want to give a shout out from our last episode 18 where we said even the strong catch a cold. Shout out to Samuel from Dallas who said, sometimes rest is the bravest thing you can do. Oh, wow, powerful. Keep those comments coming. Your words shaping this community, and I love it so much. So that is it for today. And live today as if there is no tomorrow, but plan as if you'll live forever. This is Orina Ontiri.